Subtract and, if possible, simplify. 5 minus t over t squared plus 1 minus t minus 3 over t squared plus 1. In order to subtract two rational expressions, the denominators must be the same, which they already are in this case, and therefore we subtract the numerators. 5 minus t minus, and notice that I'm putting t minus 3 in parentheses to show that we're subtracting the entire numerator. We put all of that over the same denominator, t squared plus 1. In order to simplify, we need to change the sign of each of the terms in the parentheses. So we have 5 minus t plus 3 all over t squared plus 1. Simplifying the numerator, we have 5 plus 3, which is 8, minus t, which is minus 2t, over t squared plus 1. This particular rational expression is as simplified as it can be, so that is your final answer.